Good morning, students. I am SK Tiwari, and today I am going to teach you class 8 mathematics. Before I start to our chapter, I want to convey you a message that be stay in your homes, continue online classes through Google Meet, and as well as you can take the concept from or send videos through the Tiwari online classes. Students, now I am going to teach you chapter 4 of class 8. Its name is practical geometry. Students, as it is very clear, it is practical geometry, so you have to do all the things with the help of instrument box. So in this chapter we will learn about the constructions, and in these constructions our first part is construct quadrilaterals. In earlier chapter, that is in chapter 3, already we have learned the concept of the quadrilateral. Now today we will learn about the construct of the quadrilaterals. Very clear that it has 4 sides and 4 angles. So our first cases, that is in this chapter, target learning outcomes will be construct the quadrilaterals in different cases. That is, case will be discussed one by one. That in first case we should have to construct when 4 sides and 1 diagonal given. That is, in the constructions 4 sides and 1 diagonal should be given. Let us consider one example. If PQ is equal to 4 cm, QR is equal to 6 cm, RS is equal to 5 cm, PS is equal to 5.5 cm, and PR is equal to 7 cm, by giving such data you should have to construct a quadrilaterals. What you will do for this one? For any kind of the constructions, you listen carefully that what you have to take the precautions before start to construct any quadrilaterals. First of all, you will do the rough. That is, in right side you draw one line, and drawing in line that will be the rough. In rough side you can make the sketches of the given questions, that is length, either the length and whatever information has been given. Suppose you are taking PQ 4 cm, so you take PQ here, don't measure the length, it is PQ, again its measurement is 4. Again you can see the next is QR and RS, next PR. So it is very clear that its 4 sides and 1 diagonal has given. So either you can take the PS 5.5 from here, you can cut one arc, that is maybe the PS, and QS it has not given, QR has given. So what you will do, you have to cut the PQ 4 cm and RQ, that is 6 cm. You cut from here RQ, that is 6 cm, and PQ, that is PR, it has given 7 cm. So 7 cm will be cut from here. You join this one. This is 7 cm and this RQ has given 6 cm. Again, one thing you can also think about here, that the constructions of the 2 sides and 1 diagonal has been completed. Now you think from here, that is SP, this has given 5.5 cm, so from the P you cut 5.5 cm, and again another part, that is SR, it has given 5 cm. So from here you cut a1 arc which is RS and join this one. This is RS 5.5 and this SP or PS is 5.5. So you can see this is the rough work for this one. What you will do, you take the base by measurement with the ruler, that is PQ is equal to 5 cm. Again from the Q you cut one arc, and from P also cut 7 cm by measuring. It should be intersect at a point, join these 2 points. So this point may be referred as the R, so I can write here PR. So PR will be 7 cm and QR, that will be the 6 cm. Again what you will do, from the R you take one arc from the ruler and its measurement will be 5 cm, and from the P take one arc which measurement will be 5.5 cm, that will intersect to each other. So that will be 5.5 and it will be 5. So your required quadrilateral PQRS has been constructed. So students, you can take the another cases, and in another cases maybe the 3 sides and 2 diagonals, maybe 3 sides and 2 diagonals may be given to you. You think about the another case, 3 sides and 2 diagonal given. For this one, let us consider another question. Suppose you can think in the previous question that 3 sides given, 3 sides may be the PQ, PS and QR, maybe it has given. So 3 sides given, what you will do for this one? First of all you take the one given side, suppose it is PQ, its measurement suppose it is 6 cm. Again one diagonal has given, so one diagonal, that is PS. From the P you take an arc by measuring the length which has given in the question, and this SQ also given, so from the Q also take SQ. It will intersect at a point, this is called, so suppose this is RQ, so QR maybe it is 5 cm, maybe it is 7 cm. So what you will do, the 2 sides has given. Another is that you should have to think that one side also given. One side means that is SP, suppose it has given, so intersect one arc by measuring with the ruler, and SQ it should be also given in the question because 2 diagonal has to given, and that will be intersect to each other. Suppose this SQ is 8 cm and this side has given suppose 6.5 centimeter. Thus two diagonal, and with the help of three sides we can construct the quadrilateral PQRS. Students, very easily we can construct any kind of the quadrilaterals if the condition is that minimum four requirements should be there. At least four information must be known to us, either the angles related with the sides or the diagonals. In this practical geometry, I think nothing is difficult, only you take precautions that first of all you have to construct it in the rough by drawing the sketch without any measurement. After that, by seeing the sketch which has been drawn, you take the measurement, you keep the views of the accuracy, because in practical or the constructions accuracy is the fundamental part. So by the constructing you should have to measure appropriate length with the help of ruler, compass, and as per requirement of the angles. So students, in this chapter practical geometry nothing is difficult, only you take precautions very carefully, very slowly you do the questions. Practice you have to do many times, and I think very easily you can solve the questions, you can do the question. And in all of the examinations, either the periodic test, that is mid-term test, or the session ending test, in every test this chapter will be included, and at least 5 to 6 marks we can obtain in the examination. So let us start to solve the questions of exercise 4.1, 4.2, 4.3 and 4.4 also. If you feel any kind of the difficulties, I am remaining in the classes. I will solve your difficulties and doubts. Please start to solve the question. Thank you.